This your favorite features, your boy Physical Keys, aka President Goodwin Wankiti. Now I'm saying, I got my boy over here. What's going on, my boy? All good? Yeah. What's your name, boy?
Nathi name aka Medical,
Damn, Naughty name, aka Medica. Damn, bro. That's actually the dope name, G. So yeah, guys, spill the beans with Physical Keys. Episode 2. You know how it is. So yeah, the question is gonna be would you date to share with Scobo on the boy? Or she's a really marangai
Yo, mfethu zasekushini yabo. Mina
yeah.
ngakhetha Hashim. Uchiro isigoma ngoba unengqondo.
With Scobo on.
Yo.
What
Ngoba
about the looks, boy? Shiroshi sayo ntwana, now I can see you looking good, bro. So I'm an Scobo estratini ntanga.
no, loyo uzongiphathisa i-stress obvious, yabona.
Stress.
Yeah, uyongifuna imali eziningi kosile sisebenzise endlini. Yena yenzeni athathe imali lezi siphuma ama-out uyayibona. Futhi akanangqondo. Manje silo isikhobo lo ngakhona ukuthi imali la isebenzise wona.
Okay. That's a smart move, young tall.
Yo.
Angithi asitholeni ushare noma ngabe bifile. But okay, what if yentwana ne asithi lo nisikwawo ntwana ne akanampako ushisa lipakile mara still ngayintwana yangithola.
Yeah, asilalele ingqondo. Ngoba uzibusele emuva, yeah, ngifisa.
You don't want the nyash.
Ngifuna isikhobo.
How? Hold on, bro. How? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
Ngoba lapha ngeke ngiphisane nomuntu ngoba iwami.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, you heard him. Yeah, know what I'm saying? So second question, boy.
Yo.
Do you believe in girlfriend allowance?
Yes, I believe.
Also, very love and I'm better. I keep his eye.
Yeah, ngiyaykhipha izabo.
Damn. Hey, you do mali, ntwana ne?
Hayi ukuthi anginamali. Kosele omunye umuntu umcabangele.
Uyizayo na unayo izayo.
Hayi imali anginayo, but omunye umuntu kosele umcabangele.
Manje ke umngamali ngisho mhlawumbe manje intwana yabo.
Imali mhlawumbe ngabo ngo-1.5.
Ade. Mosona ntwana ukreno tamo. Yo liyazi le 1.5. Ayikela mara 1.5. Ekubeni mhlawumbe ubamba malini so mhlawumbe manti ntwana.
Yandlula ku-10K.
Emosona ntwana uyashisa.
Ngishisi just nje kuhasela nje.
Yo, you heard him, guys. 1.5. Fine. I like the bar. If you want to sell, keep bar. So yeah, moving to the last one, guys. What's your biggest turn off? Taking in the link, 10 off. I like 10 off. Very like.
Yo.
I
I like the question. Uchero ungasithandi. Uchero ungagezi.
Chero mstano
Ungagezi. Ngithola. Yeah.
My peli ko ntanga masi. Zakeza mara ntana. I'm saying, he's saying it there.
Hayi inkomo ziyageza.
Yeah,
inkomo ziyageza.
Oh, so vele wena utila ngeyinkomo ntwana esigezayo.
Yo.
Yeah, ntanga vele isikhobo esigezayo. I'm saying, so wena ushero ngagezi vele 10 of
10 off jo nalapha engubeni ngithole mambisa so.
My home partner. Like partly. Nkaira plan.
Yeah. Ucheri vele uyangithola uhlankako vele.
10 off my bro. So since now ushaya trip vele I can see you boy, you looking good. Ushero wakho nawe manje mawuvana I'm sure vele nawe ufuna ngithola.
Yeah, ngoba manje kusela landele. Understand.
So what if ushare kanayo vele trip akafana nawe ntana vele like
Yo, ngisho manje mina ngizomthengela impahla.
eish. Emara la ngiphethe izinto. Aliyangithola ngisho.
Additional Prime Minister, His Royal Highness Igwe Dr. Honorable.
Oh boy, no, it was nice having you, my boy. I understand. I'm listening. Shout out to Naughty Name Medical. You know what I'm saying? So Kamala Medical Tamasivala, he need to motivate you medically. Medical is something else, dog. Tell you. Medical kula ipelela.
Yeah, it's like le kamali leso ngithole ukuthi. Ngithole ku music industry. Okay.
Oh, so you're doing music?
Yo.
Damn, bayamshayela amalayinana ntwana finya.
Okay.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Okay. Ngabuhlapha ngikhuzi. Nokuzibuza ngibuzi. Uma sengijayive ngivule. Bathi ngikhuza phela imali, ngikhuza nesasa. Bathi ngikhuza phela imali, ngikhuza nesasa man. Sizoqhubeka ngelila.
Yo, shout out to my boy. I like that. What is God? Yo, know what I'm saying?